So, I'm in a position where I'm just not feeling it today. Right? I just this whole day. And all the things that I kind of want to talk about, I don't really want to talk about because they're not good things. I want to do fun and funny stuff, but I just don't have it in me to look up fun and funny stuff. So, I was showed this video the other day. It's funny and fun. Now look, man, I know a lot of guys that are in construction and shit like that, those kind of jobs. I'm in kind of one of those kind of industries. I do warehousing. I work with a lot of truck drivers, shit like that. I would say I would say 80% of them are on the up and up. They do what they're told. They follow the rules. You know, they do their shit. They really care. 20% of them, however, will cut corners however the fuck they want because blah, and they just don't really care and they don't pay attention. And I think this guy is firmly in the 20%. Now, I mean, I don't know what the international sign is for "Hey asshole, your truck bed's up," but I don't know if I don't know. Like I mean, I get it, but I'm not looking at, you know, a hand going out the window. Me personally, if I was driving and I saw somebody reaching their arm out the window and going like this, I'd fucking honk the horn and yay. But I wouldn't have my truck bed up, so. Now look at how close this car comes to the wreckage. It looks like it drives under the fucking... Wow. Like, that's some scary shit. But, I mean... I don't know. I guess if you gotta be anywhere, you know, being a good couple 100 feet behind the guy, that's probably the best place to be. That fucking guy is the luckiest guy for miles. There's going to be a lot more lucky people, right? There's going to be a whole group of very lucky people that are going to sneak through there. When the police finally shut that section of the highway down, they're going to do it from before where the sign was hit. They're going to have to. Which is right before the exit ramp. People are going to be sitting there looking at that exit ramp like... Oh, as they clear shit away. Oh, dude, like, that sucks, man. Well, apparently there's a job opening in Texas. I think this was a year ago, so it's probably full. Or it may still be open, who knows? And it flipped that shit on its side with the fucking bed still open under a bridge. So they're gonna have to tow that motherfucker back to where it's not under the bridge anymore so that they get the thing right side up so that hopefully the hydraulics still work to get the fucking bed down. Oh, Christ. And they're going to be praying that it's still drivable, because fuck, towing a fucking truck like that. It's not like they just come by and throw those fucking rubber loops underneath the tires and just drive. No. Hell, it don't work like that, man. No shit. That's a fucking project right there. And the whole while, some poor asshole is going to be staring at that exit going,